Yeah, welcome back to Hause BBQ. Today I'm trying to do lollipop chicken on the rec tech for my first time. She back there smoking. She looking good. Stay tuned. It's not easy as it look, but I got her done. So guys, here's what we're doing. We're doing lollipop chicken. I cleaned one up, but this is my first time. I gotta see how it's gonna go. But look, perfect little lollipop. Clean it up and it stands up. Try to show you how I do it with this one. Just cut around here real tough. I'm gonna get all the tendons cut. You might not get them on the first try. You want to cut the bone in half. Going crazy with it. See, look. Now I just go in here like that. Just cut them. Cut. And you take. You pull that off. Like that. Remember, you're always working with clean hands. You're gonna pull that down. I tuck her in, get her looking good. She won't stand. So you come back here, cut off a little edge of it. I make it flat so it sits right on the grill. It's a learning process. Right there. Okay, so sit good. You know what I'm saying? This is a little process, but they're gonna look good in the end. Stay tuned while I get them cleaned up. So now that I got them all prepped up, see a little tendons, a little banged up job. Whoever said it's easier than it looks is a liar. But go ahead, spray them down. Hit them with a little all-purpose seasoning. Little season salt. Just try to get it everywhere. And I hit it with my rub. You know, same rub I was using in one of my other videos. But we just keep it simple. Use your favorite rub. Take and roll them around. Make sure it's everywhere. That's the spot. I got the old rec tech up to temp. Time to throw them on here. Yeah, my full dirty from the last one or two cooks. Just throw them in there. I got them standing. Some of them might need help. Like I said, it's my first time doing this. Some of them stand better than the others. Don't judge me. They're looking good to me. I don't care if they lay down or not. These are lollipop chicken. Got the grill going at 375. I'm gonna try to hold it there for about an hour, and then I'm gonna go ahead, glaze them up, throw them back on. So here I am now for my glaze. I use barbecue sauce. I might have put one or two things extra in here. We're just gonna get it stirred up. It's been about like an hour on the rec tech at 375. Just gonna get it stirred in real good. And catch back up to you when I'm back outside. Oh no, I almost forgot. You gotta have a little bit of honey in there. Go ahead and stir that up. Get that ready to go. Be back out here after an hour. Gonna get her opened up. Look at them. They're good enough to eat now, but you know me. I'm making lollipops like candy. Gotta dump them in there. Get all over the place. Get back on the grill. I feel like they're sitting better after they done cooked for a little while. Standing up better by themselves. There it is. Things looking good. Well, those some candy apple lollipop chicken. I ain't do too bad for my first time. What y'all think? Look at them. It's all on the rec tech, baby. Yeah, it's Hause BBQ. Let them be in here in the glaze for a little while. What y'all think? I'm gonna call that done. Alright, as you can see, I took some off, packed it up to go. Look at that. Took some smoke. Nice and juicy. If you like what you're seeing, share my video, subscribe.